You missed her. She's gone. Hold on tight.
What?
Do you remember how we used to get the raptors in the truck?
Yeah?
Yeah. You're up.
No.
Like the last minute dive roll.
I don't dive roll.
You'll be fine.
I never got the timing right. Now?
Any minute now.
Now.
No.
Freeze!
I'm flying us out of here. Tell me where you want to be dropped.
You ever flown to Biasin? Owen, they took her to Biasin. There's an airfield on the north
Go.
side of the island.
You're under arrest. Stay where you are.